Let's discuss a very important topic today, which is the 30 most important questions about coronavirus, what you need to know. But before that, the shout out from my previous video goes to Sakshi and Tanmay. Congratulations guys for commenting firstly and rightly for the quiz question from the previous video. One question is, what is a pandemic? And the answer is, a pandemic is an epidemic of infectious disease that spread over a large area affecting a substantial number of people. Second question is, now you must be wondering, what is this epidemic? Answer for this is, it is a widespread occurrence of an infectious disease in a community at a particular time. I have posted an image here depicting the difference between the both so that the idea is more clear. Third question is, what is the name of the disease caused by the coronavirus that spread in the Wuhan city of China? And I'm sure everybody knows the answer. Answer is coronavirus. Fourth question is, what is the full form of COVID-19? In COVID-19, CO stands for corona, VI for virus, D for disease, and 19 here marks the year, which is 2019. Fifth question is, what was the name given by scientists to coronavirus before? And the answer for this question is, it is SARS-CoV-2 virus. Next question number 6. Who has declared COVID-19 as a pandemic? Answer is right here in this question, and the answer is WHO, World Health Organization. Next question for the day is, which Indian state has declared full curfew in the first time? It's none other than our neighbor state, Punjab. Moving ahead on to the next question. On which day the Janta curfew was imposed due to coronavirus? And I'm sure everybody remembers the date. It was 22nd of March. Now, the next question is, for how many days did the phase 1 of lockdown continued? Again, a very tough period, and I'm sure everybody remembers. It continued for 21 days. 10th question is, app launched by the government to track COVID-19. And the answer is Arogya Setu. I would suggest everybody to download this app in order to track COVID-19. 11th question is, the first state to lock down itself due to coronavirus. And the first state to impose lockdown was, again our neighbor, Rajasthan. Next question is, COVID-19 affects which part of the body? And the answer is, it directly attacks our lungs, making it very difficult to breathe. Moving on to the next question, name the test for COVID-19. And the name of the test for COVID-19 is RT-PCR. It means reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction. 15th question, coronavirus started from Wuhan city in China, right? So this city lies in which province of the country? It lies in the Hubei province of China. Moving on to the next question, and it says, name the state to declare COVID-19 as an epidemic. And it was none other than our home state, which is Haryana, which declared it as an epidemic. 17th question is, social app launched by Instagram, which feature to make its user aware of coronavirus? And the answer is Instagram Feeds. Moving on to the next question, what feature has WhatsApp launched in India to make you all aware of coronavirus? And the answer for this is chatbot feature of WhatsApp. Moving to the next question, feature of Facebook to make people aware of coronavirus. And the feature of Facebook is Coronavirus Information Center. This helped in spreading the information to the users. 20th question is, name the website launched by Google. And the name of the website is google.com/COVID-19. Moving on to the next question, and it is, when coronavirus first identified? Guys, it was first identified back in the years of 1960. Let's see what's there in the next question. Main symptoms of coronavirus. Very important, listen to it very carefully. The key symptoms are fever and tiredness, continuous cough, loss of taste and smell, and breathing difficulties. 23rd question is, what are the precautions that one need to take care in order to protect oneself? And in order to prevent this disease, make sure all your surrounding is clean. 24th question is, which age group did coronavirus spread? Guys, it spread in all the age group. So take care of everyone in your surrounding. 25th question is, how does it transmit? The transmission of coronavirus happens through the droplets, through the direct contact as well as the indirect contact. Next question is, in a study, which cell are found in COVID-19 patient bode well for long-term immunity? And for long-term immunity, it's our T cells. Moving to the next question. Name a clinical trial in which a blood is transfused from a recovered patient to the coronavirus patient in order to treat them. And the answer is plasma therapy. Question number 28 is, the disease that can be transferred to humans from animals. When the disease is transferred from animals to human, it is called zoonotic disease. 29th question is, name the medicine that India has exported to America in order to boost the immunity of Americans. Answer is hydroxychloroquine. The last question for today is a fun activity, and guys, please participate. You need to mention down in the comment section the precautions you guys are taking in order to stay safe during COVID-19. Rules are same. You need to comment down using the hashtag Economics Window by Garima Singh, and the best comment will get a shout out in my next video. Guys, remember, objective of this video is to spread the awareness among the people and save them. So like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also share this video as much as possible. And if you really like this video, then do not hesitate to press in the thumbs up icon, as it will mean a lot to me.